Okay, welcome back. It is day 161 of coding every day. Um, the recording got messed up, and all my actual coding was a black screen, so it only caught when I tabbed out. I started recording again, and it's just really bad coding. I was caught. So I've been using Figma has AI plugins now. So I've been making my UI and then using the thing that does UI to code, but then it always does inline CSS. So then I put that into an LLM and then convert that to separate CSS and whatever. So it's basically just doing that at the end. And it wasn't giving the UI looks terrible. It's not even what is on my Figma thing. No time to work on that tonight though. Maybe I'll touch on it tomorrow, but yeah, today was just linear algebra. Um, I finished all the reading, finished up orthogonal stuff like projections and distance and uh, just a bunch of whatever. And so I do have a worksheet due at midnight. I was working on the homework that I wanted to finish. So the homework and the worksheet are on the very last chapter. And so I wanted to finish actually reading the chapter so I could do this as practice. It was four homeworks, four quizzes, one worksheet. I was hoping to finish the reading a day or two ago, but it all came crashing down. So I have 55 minutes, probably less because I need to edit and then post this to finish that. So I need to get moving. And then once I'm done that, that'll probably be most of my studying for that chapter done. And then this weekend, I'm going to work on prepping for my computer system principles exam, final exam, and then also trying to work through, honestly, try to cover everything this weekend for linear algebra. And then during the week, just do old, just whatever. It should just be this weekend. I want to touch on everything and get a sense of everything that's on the exam. And then throughout the week, I'll just do old exams, practice sheets that they gave during the supplemental. I forget what they call them. They're called SI sessions, or just student leaders, course assistants, TAs, make these worksheets that we can use. So yeah, that is really all I have. The coding is just not that good, so sorry about that. So I didn't really get that far today with the project. The idea for the UI, you've seen it and it looks really bad. That active project section, I don't want that. All of this is static data that I'm just doing for trying to show what it's going to be. But I think it's going to be recent activity, the team status, upcoming deadlines, and then I don't know what I want the third one to be. I have it yeah, I don't know. I don't even know if that's the three that I want, but or if I even want team activity stuff. I don't know. There's still a lot to decide. And then that greeting thing, I kind of want that centered. I don't know. There's still a lot more that I want to do. I also hate that they're all in their own box. I kind of not want to be boxy. I kind of want it to be flowy. I don't know. I don't know. We'll figure it out though. But right now is not the time to figure this out. I need to focus on final. So maybe I'll just be doing elite codes next few days. I'm not sure. So, anyways, that is all I have. So take care. Bye.